Here's what quality inspection looks like today. Manual inspection, skilled technicians, and lots of room for human error. What if you could build a perfect defect detector before your part comes off the line? Let me show you how. It starts with just your CAD file. That's right, the same one you use to manufacture the part, just upload it to our platform and watch the magic happen. The first step is telling us about your material. Injection molded plastic, cast metal, each has its own unique challenges for computer vision, but we've got you covered. Color matching is crucial for reliable inspection. Our system handles even complex parts with multiple materials and colors, ensuring precise detection every time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Remember those thick QA training manuals? We take your exact quality criteria and use it to generate synthetic defect samples. No more waiting months to collect enough defect data. Finally, we customize the detector for your specific deployment, whether it's a conveyor belt setup or a robotic work cell. The camera positioning and parameters are all optimized automatically. And just like that, your custom defect detector is ready for deployment. Download the file, and you're set to start catching defects from day one. From CAD file to deployment-ready defect detector in minutes. That's the power of synthetic data and manufacturing.